And what has the U.S. trustee done? Have you spoken with the U.S. trustee?
Absolutely nothing. Has spoken to her. It's not like she has not spoken to the debtor.
Oh, I understand that, but she has not acknowledged the potential fraud, and this is important given the fact that Harmon law offices, of course, are involved with the same people down in Florida, with David Stern and those guys who are under, criminal investigation and civil litigation.
A portion of our practice consists of attempting to collect debts, and any information obtained will be used for that purpose. Please be advised that this call may be recorded.
Well, that's fine and good. They have a statutory authority to do that. Now, of course, when I called, I statutorily advised them that I was tape recording the phone call, and I was told that I could not speak to Attorney Andrew Harmon until I shut the recorder off, which I did. So they can tape us, but we can't tape them. At any rate, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with this widow here who has some serious chain of title, chain of custody issues regarding the wet ink note relative to a pending foreclosure. We're here at kingcast.net, Mortgage Movies, to explain the ramifications of the pending lawsuit that I'm going to be filing against the Department of Justice relative to the refusal to grant the free press fee waiver exemptions under the FOIA. As we see, many responsible statesmen across the country have been suing for proof of claim, B10 proof of claim. However, that's not what happened in New Hampshire, so I filed a FOIA request to see Lawrence Sumski's due diligence efforts in that regard, and I was stonewalled. And so that went on for about a year, and I've recently received a letter back from one of their attorneys, Janice Galli McLeod, who tells me that she's going to deny my request for free documents because I have too much commentary in my journal entries. That's the stated reason. So therefore, I let her know in no uncertain terms that I'm going to be suing her, and this is her last chance to avoid that. And as we'll see, going through the elements of the lawsuit, it's pretty clear that I have experience as a journalist. All of the elements that are set forth under the statute, I meet or surpass them through the years. I've demonstrated that, having been a licensed title insurance producer, former assistant state attorney. All these things are in the record, and they were thoroughly ignored by her intentionally. Don't forget, it's also crucial to analyze the Supreme Court of New Hampshire's decision in a very similar case involving a mortgage website that has information and commentary. The statute itself does not anywhere on its face or in its intent grant some type of exception for commentary. It just is what it is. I'm a journalist. I get out there in the field, I report what I see, I analyze things using my experience. That's what journalists do, and I don't care who likes it or not, I'm going to sue them.